Hey, what's up, guys? I'm right here. I have basically, I'm just doing a video on showing how to get Lucky Patcher. Basically, on your phone, all you have to do, go to download. No. First you have to go to Google. Sorry, guys. Go to Google. Type in Lucky Patcher, obviously. Lucky Patcher. Then the official website will pop up. This one right here.
So you think he took two riches? I think somebody or something had access to that shot. Took it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Who had access to your shot?
So you basically have to.
I changed the key. I got like million keys because I changed the lock. Let me ask you something real quick. I was at your house about.
Yeah, it's basically right here. You're gonna have to scroll down. Keep going down. And plus download modded Play Store. Hey guys, bye. Hope you liked the video, and yeah, just wait. Just this is how it basically works. Lucky Patcher loaded it up, right? Subway Surfers right here, right there. I have it right here. It has like how many? It has actually. I have like 50,000 coins, but I had like a million something before. And keys, I have like 800. Cause of Lucky Patcher, literally, without paying or nothing. Literally, this is actually like real. I'm not even lying. Like this is real. Like out of like it doesn't do any verification for bot or anything. Like this is real. Sorry guys for not talking so much. Oh sorry, I'm just choosing my account right now. Sorry guys for taking so long. Internet's trash. Okay, just started up. As you can see on the right corner, 50,000 and keys 800. So I'm gonna go me. Look, with this app, you can literally buy all the skins that you want. Literally, I'm not even lying. Look at this. You see the check mark? That means that you bought it. Look at this, bro. Oh, look at my keys. I could buy literally all of these if I wanted to. This one. Yeah, so my hoverboards. My boards actually. You could buy actually a lot, but I didn't really buy that much. I didn't want to waste it all. So yeah, guys. Hope you liked the video and peace.